On the Measure Fluid screen, the workflow goes from the left side, from the top to the bottom on the tabs. First, enter the sample information. Select the fluid type and type it in here, and your component type will select the correct product. After the sample information is input, go down to the next tab. The software will prompt to zero the filtergram. Take a clean filtergram and insert into the Elements module and press 0. While that's running, move on to the other steps. Next, let's move on to the viscosity test. Use the tip of the pipette and gently squeeze the bulb to dispense the sample into the viscometer over a period of 1 to 2 seconds. Once all of the sample is dispensed, lift the pipette away from the opening and release the bulb. Press Start. When complete, the results show up on the screen. On the Chemistry tab, it is prompting a new background measurement is needed for the Chemistry module. Make sure the cell is out before starting this process. Press Start to begin a background check. A background is done the first time that you power on the system, every 30 minutes, and or with a temperature change of 2 degrees Celsius. Once the background is complete, it's ready for a sample. Just open the cell. Put in a couple drops of oil. Close the cell. Check it for bubbles. Insert it into the housing and push Start. Watch the chemistry test complete and review the results. Once the results pop up on the screen, move on to the Particles tab. Take the filtergram out from the Elements module and insert it into the Particles module. Once the filtergram and syringe is in the Particles module, push Start. Wait for the Particles measurement to complete before you can move on to the Elements. Depending on how dirty the sample is, it may or may not take all the fluid in the syringe. If it only dispenses a few milliliters, that's fine. The software will prompt to remove the syringe. Then press Continue. There is a pump blowing air through the filtergram to get the last drop of oil through the filter. The pump is also helping to dry the filtergram so it can be put into the elemental module. Once the particle module is complete, particle counts and ISO codes will appear on the screen. On the particle screen, push Continue and go to the Elements module. Remove the filtergram from the Particles module and insert it into the Elements module. Close the door and push Start, and a light will turn on indicating the X-ray is now on. Once the measurement is done, the elemental ppm results will show up on the screen. This is the elemental composition of the particles captured on the filtergram. Go to the Results screen. View the detailed results to view all the parameters that were measured. From here, either save or discard the sample. If operating with TrueView 360, the sample information is uploaded to TrueView 360. Go through all the cleaning steps to clean up the FieldLab and prepare to run the next sample. If needed, turn on the Cleaning Wizard videos and follow along to prepare the unit for the next sample.